phone is your life. Your device is your life. And we realize that because everybody that comes in here is in an emergency. If you don't have access to something that you use every single day, that changes your day. The problem is when you can't use the device. You're blind. You can't do anything. So whatever your plans were, that's it. We're here for that.
Hi, my name is Kevin Pinkney, and I bring all of my broken devices for my customers like iPads and iPhones to iPhone Repair VV because they're the best. They have the greatest prices. The number one reason I come here is great prices. Number two reason is the owners, James and Joel, are awesome. They're very nice guys and they always take care of me.
We do iPads and other tablets. We do phones of all types, obviously iPhones, including computers as well. We also do diagnostics, screens, batteries, data recovery. We're right before the ocean front, 264 east to Bird Neck Road exit.